Hello guys, we're back for another hair video. We are going to be doing another one of the XMONDO products. This is the 7A semi-permanent hair color. Now, if you guys saw my video, I did the 5N over my red hair. I think it was last year I did this. This stuff is like black. I was very surprised at the color of this one. It was very, very pretty, but man, it was so dark. Yeah. I mean, when I was rinsing it out, it was like black, but it was very pretty. It did pick up like the ends a lot more because my hair was really porous and kind of damaged. So I'm a little nervous to do this one too. I got the 7A because what I'm trying to do, so I have been using a 8 or 9A on my roots because I have pretty dark hair and I have a lot of grays. So my goal is to, it's not super like really picking up on camera, but my roots are pretty warm. So I'm trying to go gradually darker. So I thought the 7A would be a good choice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not doing my ends with this yet. I am just gonna do the roots, and then what I'm gonna do is kind of like comb it down and just kind of like try to blend it all together. Now, I don't have a ton of grays right now because I colored it not that long ago. So I'm basically just doing this for the color because if you guys know, you know, this stuff does not cover grays. If you're not familiar with these glosses, they're so good. They're super glosses. They're intensive glossing treatments with a semi-permanent color. They've got a bond booster in them. They come in a variety of colors. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I wish it was, but they're just really good products and they smell really good too. This one kind of scares me too. That is pretty dark looking for 7A. So, but I'm okay with that. Like I said, I'm trying to go a little bit darker here, but I hope that it ends up blending. I hope this works. My hair is clean. That's why it's kind of weird. I just washed it and I let it air dry. So let's head on into the bathroom and we will see what we can do. Okay, now it does say to apply to dry hair. I am gonna do dry at the roots, but I think when I do the rest of my hair, I'm gonna wet it. Now I do like how it comes in this tub like that, and you could just dip your brush in, dig right in. Oh, I'm scared. I'm just kind of doing exactly like I would do my roots, and then I'm gonna go through and comb it through. I hope I don't regret this. All right, I think this is all we're gonna do for now. And then if I end up loving the color, I might do all of it. Oh, it says process for 15 minutes. Yeah, I might do longer. And then I will come back when it's all stylish. Stylish. I can't speak today, I need more coffee. When it's all styled. Bye-bye. Okay, this lighting just doesn't do it justice. I feel like it looks a little bit darker, a little bit different, but it definitely made my roots less warm. I think I'm gonna go in and do all of my hair. I'm just gonna, screw it. I am just gonna go all in and just do everything again. So I think I'm gonna wet it first and then, yeah. So my hair feels really healthy and it feels shiny, and I did comb it through, you guys saw, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna go in and just do everything, so. always do this. I get my hair to a really, like, a color that I want, and then I get bored with it and then go dark. Okay, well, we're done. I really hope my hair doesn't turn green. We're gonna let it process. We're gonna let it sit for a while. Fingers crossed it doesn't turn green. Like that. Okay, I have to stand back here, otherwise you really can't tell, like, when I'm up really close to the light. But I love it. Oh my gosh, this is like the color I've been wanting. I love it. It's so shiny. It feels so nice. I'm sure it's not like perfect by any means, but I love it. I've been trying to kind of go back to my natural, which my natural is pretty gray, but I am obsessed with this color. I love it. Yeah, I'm really happy I did all over. So, all right, thank you guys for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have tried this color and what you think. And we'll see you on my next video.